give me chance. I'm not cheap and loser. You could you put a nose on Adamaja, no body.
Mariewiseborn no even waste time. She don't prepare. They go Ghana. Hey, my people are on a day. Congratulations and in others, Moses Bliss and his wife Maria don't finally sign not legally. And this week now for him wedding. No be small thing. Everybody just they go Ghana cause na Ghanaian woman na him marry. Mariewiseborn don't dress. They go say this week now for Ghana alone no cause our wife must come back to Nigeria after this week. I'm so happy for them. They easy. I really thank God say Moses Bliss, God bless him with him own lip. That's why I said keep being yourself, your own man, your own Mr. Right will find you. Don't change for anything. Don't pretend. Be your true self. Your man will find you. If you be lover of good thing, don't watch this video finish without typing congratulations to them. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
Have you seen my love? Have you seen my woman, my personal gift from God? I'm more than no data person. This one a full package blessing. God so loved the boy, blessed me with the precious jewel. I don't find good thing.